everyone, my name is Kathy. I'm an information assistant with Vaughan Public Libraries. Thank you for joining us as we continue with our new online program series that introduces everyone to some technologies and apps that can help during this time while we stay at home. So for today, I am going to introduce you to 3 grocery apps, Instacart, PC Express, and Costco app, just in case you have a membership, just so that you can stay home and be safe. I just want you to remember that when I demonstrate these apps that I have already created an account and have logged in. So I'm just going to continue from there and show you how to navigate those grocery apps. So let's get started.
Let's begin with the PC Express app. You've created an account, you're logged in, and now you get to this page. You've chosen your province and it's going to give you a list of stores that are available to you in your location. I've also changed to closest store to my location, so I'm going to X out of there, and then we get to the home page. On the home page, you will see some suggested items based on your shopping history, and you'll also be able to browse by brand. Now I'm going to tap on browse at the bottom of the screen, and I'll give you, this is where you'll be doing your shopping. You'll have food and home and lifestyle choices. I'm going to tap on my shop, which I currently do not have a shopping history, but normally there you could do a quick shop based on your previous history and just tap on one of your shopping lists. And here is a grocery list that I've created of items I need, and I could always add those to my cart and use it as a reference point when I'm shopping. When I tap on deals, you'll see flyer and deals. You've already entered your postal code, so it will give you the most local flyer. And then on menu, when you click on menu, this is all your information, your orders, your previous orders, your current orders, your account history, as well as your information, your payment. And don't forget to check frequently asked questions. This is someplace I always suggest to check, especially I always like to check if there's any minimum order. And this is a $30 minimum order in order for it to get fulfilled. So let's go back. We're going to go browse again. Let's shop. Okay, so you have your categories as you would in the grocery store. So you have your grocery aisles here. I'm going to click on bakery. Here we go. And let's say I want to purchase an item. I just click on the little shopping cart there. You could add 1 or 2 and it'll end up in your shopping cart. So I've done all my shopping now. I've gone through my list and everything's there. I'm going to tap on the shopping cart at the top right hand corner. And we're going to verify that everything is correct. As I mentioned before, you could create a list for future reference or to repurchase. So you could always save a list. I'm ready to check out on the bottom right hand corner. We're going to tap on it and we're checking out. So here's your information. They just ask that you check to make sure everything's up to date and information is correct. We're going to bottom of the screen. We're going to place an order. There we go. As you can see, when it comes to pickup times, there are no pickup times available at this time, but this changes daily. At the time of recording this, there were no time slots available. Just check back another time or another day, or you could choose another store that has a time slot that's available. The second app is the Instacart app. With this app, you have the option of delivery. The PC Express has pickup only, but it does show you the option of delivery, and if you clicked on it, it would have sent you here. This is the home page of the Instacart. At the top, you would see your name, and you'd be able to tap on that and view your account details. Going down, you have your sales, and those are your flyers. And under that is your shopping list, which you could reorder from your shopping list or create a shopping list for future reference. On the bottom, you have your variety of stores. You have a list of stores based on your postal code. So let's tap on Fortino's once again. This is your shop page. On the shop page, you have your suggested items. So it's going to take from what you've been purchasing in the past and suggest a few more items. And of course, if you click view 100 more, you'll get more products available to you. At the bottom, in the middle, we're going to tap on Explore, and here's your grocery store departments which we'll be shopping from. But I'm just going to go on to the bottom right hand corner and tap on your items just to show you that from your list, this is where it would show up and you'd be able to reorder from it. Now let's go back to Explore. Let's tap on Explore. Now we're going to choose a department and we're going to begin our shopping. So let's see. I'm going to click on an item. At the top, you'll see a plus sign, and I'll be able to add as many items as I want. Or if you actually tap on the picture, I'll bring it up and you could add items on the bottom. You could change the quantity and then we'll add it to the cart. Okay, so now I've done my shopping. I've gone through my list. I'm happy that I've got everything. I'm going to go to the top right hand corner to view my cart. There we go. We're going to take a quick view, make sure everything's in order. Looks good. I'm going to go and tap, go right to the bottom, tap to go to checkout. There we go. Now with this one, you have your delivery. So it will tell you your delivery charges. There is an option to choose free delivery if you subscribe to a monthly payment. But in this case, the delivery charge is $6.80 on my purchase. And as you see before, there's no times available. This is the same store, the same time that I'm looking at this app as I did at the other one. So I'd have to check in at another time to see if there's any time spots or choose another store. The last app we'll look at today is the Costco app. Currently, you're looking at the home page, which they call the shop page. If you look at the bottom of the screen, we're going to tap on savings. The savings tab shows you the weekly savings that Costco offers, their current flyer, as well as their online savings. If you tap on membership, the membership card will pop up with your photo and your membership ID. If you currently do not have a membership, do not worry. I'll show you where you could purchase a membership. If you tap on warehouse, it will show you the closest warehouse to your location. Let's tap on more. As you can see, under more, you will be offered your membership if you do not currently have one. It will also show you the current services available through your Costco membership. Now let's go back to shop. You will also see the word shop at the top of the screen. Let's tap on the lines beside it, which is your menu. We all know that Costco carries a variety of items, but today's focus is groceries, so I'm going to tap on grocery and households. Here are your grocery aisles and categories. I'm going to view those and choose an. There we go. Now to add an item to the cart, you will tap on the plus sign, or if you want to remove something from your cart, you're going to tap on the minus sign. Okay, so we're adding one item to our cart. Perfect. Now we're going to go to the top of the page where you see your shopping cart. We are done with our shopping, so we're going to click on that shopping cart. We're going to verify that everything is correct. And as you can see, you have 2-day delivery. Now, being as today's time with grocery shopping, the delivery dates for grocery items with Costco is from 7 to 10 days. Now, if we look at the current order at the top, if we add $14.44 more, we could avoid the $12 delivery charge. At the bottom of your screen, you will find the checkout and your total. So once you're ready, you're going to tap on the checkout, complete your order. It'll give you an estimated delivery date. I hope you enjoyed the session. I hope it was useful during this time of need to help you with your groceries. If you need further assistance with any of your devices, please visit the Vaughan Public Library website where you will find lynda.com that has a variety of tutorials on different devices.